Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lens wipes is probably one of the most important accessories for anyone who wears glasses, uses cameras, or simply wants to keep their lenses clean and smudge-free. In this video, we will review several top-rated pre-moistened lens wipes, comparing their cleaning power, material quality, and overall value to help you find the perfect wipes for your needs, whether you're a glasses wearer, a photographer, or just someone who appreciates crystal clear vision. Number 5. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Wipes. These wipes are pre-moistened for easy cleaning. They're gentle enough for all types of lenses. It removes smudges and dirt without scratching. They're designed for a gentle clean every time. Use them on prescription lenses, sunglasses, or lenses with anti-reflective coating. It's safe for a variety of glasses. They leave your glasses shiny and spotless, without streaks or residue. Get a sparkling clean finish. The ultra-soft material is tough on dirt, but gentle on your lenses. It's designed to protect your investment. Individually wrapped for on-the-go use. Keep them in your car, bag, or even your wallet. What we like. These wipes are gentle on all lenses, including those with anti-reflective coatings. They're individually wrapped for convenience, perfect for your purse or pocket. If you need a reliable and safe option for everyday use, this is the one for you. Number 4. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Lens Wipes. Say goodbye to smudges and dirt. These wipes are designed for gentle yet effective cleaning of your lenses. It's safe for various glasses, including those with anti-reflective coatings. Clean your lenses without worry. They leave your glasses shiny and spotless, without streaks or residue. Experience a crystal clear view. These ultra-soft wipes are tough on dirt, but gentle on your lenses. They won't scratch your delicate eyewear. Individually wrapped for your convenience. Keep them in your car, bag, or even your wallet for any time cleaning. Experience the ZEISS difference. These wipes provide superior cleaning power and protection for your valuable eyewear. What we like. This bulk pack offers the same gentle, safe cleaning as our smaller option, but with 3 times the wipes. It's perfect for homes or offices where many people need to clean their glasses. If you're looking for value and convenience, this is the best choice. What people say. They clean my lenses quickly without leaving streaks or residue, and the wipes are moist enough to handle smudges but dry fast. These wipes effortlessly remove smudges, fingerprints, and dirt from eyeglasses, camera lenses, and even phone screens. The alcohol-based formula ensures a streak-free and spotless finish every time. The product does a professional job cleaning eyeglass lenses. It never scratches. Works for all lenses, glass or plastic, and coated. In storage over progressive use, it never dries out. Number 3. ZEISS Pre-Moistened Alcohol Wipes. These wipes are pre-moistened for gentle cleaning. They easily remove smudges and dirt without scratching your lenses. It's safe to use on various glasses, including prescription lenses and those with anti-reflective coatings. Clean with confidence. They leave your glasses shiny and spotless. Enjoy a streak-free, residue-free clean every time. The ultra-soft material is tough on dirt but gentle on your lenses. Say goodbye to scratches. Individually wrapped for your convenience. Keep them in your car, bag, or wallet for easy cleaning anytime, anywhere. With 400 wipes in a pack, you'll always have plenty on hand to keep your glasses sparkling clean. What we like. This option uses alcohol for superior cleaning power, effectively removing stubborn smudges and fingerprints. It's still safe for all lens types and comes in a convenient bulk pack. If you need a powerful yet safe clean, choose this one. What people say. They clean my lenses quickly without leaving streaks or residue, and the wipes are moist enough to handle smudges but dry fast. These wipes effortlessly remove smudges, fingerprints, and dirt from eyeglasses, camera lenses, and even phone screens. The alcohol-based formula ensures a streak-free and spotless finish every time. The product does a professional job cleaning eyeglass lenses. It never scratches. Works for all lenses, glass or plastic, and coated. In storage over progressive use, it never dries out. Number 2. Eyeglass Cleaner Lens Wipes. These wipes make cleaning your glasses a breeze. They're quick, easy, and perfect for keeping your lenses sparkling clean. Individually wrapped for convenience, it's easy to keep a wipe handy. Always have a clean lens wherever you are. Simply open, wipe, and polish. It's that easy to remove dirt and grime from your lenses. The ammonia-free formula is safe for all types of lenses, including eyeglasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. They're not just for glasses. Use them to clean your phone, tablet, and other screens too. Choose the pack size that's right for you. Never run out of wipes again. What we like. These wipes are incredibly efficient at removing dirt and grime from glasses and screens alike. The ammonia-free formula is gentle on delicate surfaces. If you need a versatile wipe for glasses and electronics, this is a great option. What people say. These lens wipes are highly effective at cleaning glasses. Each wipe is pre-moistened with a cleaning solution that effortlessly removes smudges, fingerprints, dust, and grime from eyeglass lenses. The wipes leave the lenses crystal clear without any streaks or residue, enhancing the clarity and sharpness of vision. The individually wrapped packaging of each wipe is incredibly convenient. It makes them easy to carry in a purse, wallet, or pocket, ensuring that you always have a cleaning solution at hand wherever you go. The wipes are safe for use on all types of lenses, including those with anti-reflective coating, UV protection, and other specialized treatments. They are gentle and do not scratch or damage the lenses, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity and longevity of expensive eyewear. Number 1. HandyClean Lens Cleaning Wipes. These wipes effortlessly lift away dirt and fingerprints from your glasses, phone screens, and more. It's the perfect solution for quick and easy cleaning on the go. Keep your lenses spotless without worrying about scratches or streaks. The ammonia-free formula ensures a clean and smudge-free finish every time. Individually wrapped for mess-free travel, these wipes are TSA approved. Keep one in your bag for any time, anywhere cleaning. No more messy spray bottles or microfiber cloths needed. These pre-moistened wipes offer a simple and effective way to keep your devices sparkling clean. As a leading wet wipe manufacturer, we bring years of experience to ensure superior quality and performance. You can trust these wipes to deliver a consistently clean result. What we like. These wipes are designed to be non-scratching and streak-free, leaving your lenses spotless. Their individually packed design makes them perfect for on-the-go use. If you prioritize a perfect, smudge-free clean every time, this is the one for you. What people say. Works for me. They are pretty moist and I thought they were going to streak, but they didn't. I actually cleaned my glasses, then my husband's tablet, then my phone, then my computer screen with the same wipe. No streaking, and all the device screens are cleaned well, so one wipe goes a long way. Nicely wrapped in individual packets that are about the size of an alcohol wipe, so they slide into my phone case and wallet easily. The wipes themselves are a bit larger when unfolded. They do the job for sure. Cleans well, leaves no reside, dries instantly, little packets drop in your purse always have available. These wipes effectively do the job in cleaning my glasses and phone and tablet screens. And the best part, after researching the product, is that even though they are made with global components, they are made in the USA. I noticed that some reviewers mentioned that the wipes dry out quickly. They do, and I expected that because the cleansing solution is mostly isopropyl alcohol, which does indeed evaporate quickly. These wipes should not be confused with the antibacterial sanitizing kitchen and bathroom wipes that come in plastic canisters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.